Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this VHS tape box. So I will do the tutorial for making the box part, and then you just need to attach the VHS tape on the box. And here is the measurements of the cardstock that you need. So as the tool I use is in centimeters, so what I cut is in centimeters, but you can do it as this one in inches. So you need 2 pieces of the cardstock, and they are in the size of this one. So this is the size, and you need to cut it 2 pieces, and this is the size in inches. Here, see, and cut 2 pieces. I will also write all the sizes in the description box below. And then you need 4 pieces of this one. These are taller one, and they are in the size as this one. So you need cut this one in 4 pieces, and that is this one by 4 pieces. Yeah, and you can definitely, make it larger or wider, as we only need like in centimeter, we only need 5 millimeter as the groove flap. So the width would be 3 centimeters. But if you want to make your box like 4 centimeter or 5 centimeters high, then yeah, just change that to that centimeter. Then you need to cut it in the width of 4.5 centimeter to get your box width to be 4 centimeter. So that is this one. And also it's the same for this one, as the 5 millimeter is for the flap part. So I cut these 4. And also in inches, because I made it as a 1/4 inch as the groove flap, so this one is the width of the box is 1 inch. But if you want it to be 2 inch or 3 inches, then you only need to cut it as this is the same length, just the width to be 2.25 inch or 3.25 inch, just to make sure that this width is the same as this width. Yeah, depending on how wide you want your box to be. So first we score 5 millimeters on the size of the 4 longer pieces. And for these 4 shorter one, you need to score 5 millimeter at this side, and then also need to score them at these 2 sides. So once 5 millimeter at this side, and then 5 millimeter at this side, and also at this side. You need to score at 3 sides of the shorter ones. So that's fold all the folding lines. And now cut an angle at these 2 sides. So like this way, have angles on both sizes. And for these 4 shorter ones, so first let's make the bottom box. So we also take 2 here. So that's first also cut an angle at this part. See? So it will look like this. So we cut angle on all the sides and fold it along the folding lines. And also do the same to this one. So first we make the bottom box, and so we need to stick all the pieces to the bottom part. So this bottom box part is ready, and we need to make the top box right. So for the top box is a little different. So first you need to cut. So for these two shorter ones, first you need to cut this screw flap out. See, like so, you cut this screw flap out and also cut angle on these sizes. And then for this one, you need to cut the opposite side. So you cut this piece at this side, right? Then you need to cut the screw flap at this side, so they are in the opposite direction. So they are like this. And we also fold all the folding lines. And now let's stick all the pieces on the top part. So first we make it like this. And now we stick this part on this part. And now close it like this way. So in this way, we can know where to glue the glue flap for the corners. So for the corners, we need to stick the part as the last step. So yeah, that's, see, like so, we close it like so. And now we add glue on this part. And close it. Press this piece for a second to have the glue dry. Okay, now let's also do the same to this one. We first add glue at this part, and now put it inside and push this part. So in this way, you can close the box better. Okay, so it's almost ready. Yeah, see, like this, you can close the box in a very good way. And now you can add the VHS tape you already made on top, like this. And your box is ready. See, like so. So hope you find this tutorial helpful. And for the cassette tape mini album is, yeah, we can make it in the same procedure. You just need to measure the length and the width of the cassette tape mini album. That's the biggest die. And then also cut the size in 2 pieces, and then make all the 4, like all these size part. And just decide your width, and then also the flap that you want it to be. And then it's just the same procedure to make all these kind of boxes. So this is the tutorial for today, and I will show all the measurements in the description box below. So if you are not clear of it, you can check that. So if you have any questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.